Indian cricket star Smriti Mandhana has once again set the internet buzzing, and this time, it all began with a single Instagram post. Her post, captioned, "For me, calm isn't silence, it's control," crossed more than 8 lakh likes within hours. Even though it was part of a paid promotion for a smartphone brand, fans immediately connected it to the emotional days she has been through. Just a few days earlier, Smriti had confirmed the end of her engagement to music composer Palash Muchal. On 7th December, she shared a short public statement asking for privacy and requesting fans to respect her decision as she tried to close a deeply personal chapter. Their engagement had been a huge moment earlier this year. Muchal had surprised her with a proposal at the D.Y. Patil Stadium, the same place where India won the Women's World Cup final. The wedding was planned for 23 November 2025 in Sangli. But everything changed on the morning of the wedding. Smriti's father was suddenly hospitalized with a medical emergency. Soon after, Muchal too was admitted to hospital because of severe stress. With both families facing back-to-back crises, the wedding was called off indefinitely. After the split became public, Smriti quietly returned to training, showing she was trying to refocus on cricket. But her latest promotional post brought the spotlight right back, with fans reading deeper meaning into her words. Online, speculation grew quickly. Unverified rumors, including allegations of infidelity, spread against Muchal. His family strongly denied the claims, calling them false and damaging. Muchal also released a statement saying he was moving on and warned of legal action against anyone spreading false and defamatory content. During this period, Smriti and several Indian players removed photos from the wedding functions. Teammate Jemimah Rodriguez even withdrew from the Women's Big Bash League to be with her in India. Neither Smriti nor Palash has spoken beyond their initial statements. But this viral post seems to show one thing clearly: Smriti Mandhana is trying to regain control, rebuild her calm, and move forward through one of the toughest phases of her personal life. Vijay Varma has made his return to screens with Gustakh Ishq, but what fans are talking about even more is his long break and how much of it was shaped by his relationship with Tamannaah Bhatia. For months, the spotlight wasn't on Vijay's work, it was on his romance. Their relationship had become one of the most talked about stories in Bollywood. And now, in a conversation, Vijay finally explained how overwhelming it all became. He said the work wasn't coming out, so the conversation was about everything else, clearly hinting at the media frenzy surrounding his relationship with Tamannaah. The attention around them had grown so loud that his craft was getting drowned out. Vijay wanted stillness, but fame had other plans. "I would have liked complete silence, but that's not possible," he shared. Even though he stepped away from press interactions for over a year, the spotlight kept following him. "I have not spoken to the press since I 8/14, the Kandahar hijack, not given a single interview, yet the presence is all over and it's beyond my control." Vijay also said today's generation will struggle with this kind of constant scrutiny. "Your decisions and your lives are being scrutinized every single day. I did need a gap. I needed more silence." Vijay and Tamannaah first grabbed attention when they came together in Sujoy Ghosh's segment of Lust Stories 2, which released in June 2023. Their chemistry on screen soon turned into a real-life romance, and fans couldn't get enough. But by March this year, reports of their breakup surfaced. The two had reportedly dated for over 2 years before parting ways. With his new release, people have begun calling this Vijay's "lover boy" era, a label he finds amusing. He said, "I feel it was a byproduct of being in the spotlight for being in a public relationship. People saw me in a certain way. Their relationship may have ended, but its impact on Vijay Varma and the conversation around him still lingers." Now, he steps forward, choosing silence, space, and a fresh start.
Akshay Khanna's entrance in Dhurandhar has taken the internet by storm. The Bahraini rap track Faisla perfectly sets the tone as Khanna's Rahman Dakait makes a stylish, dangerous and unforgettable entry. While stepping out of his car, Khanna joins a group of cheering men, some even breaking into a traditional dance, and his own moves add charm and menace. Well, fans are calling Akshay Khanna's performance better than Ranveer Singh's iconic numbers. Well, created by Gulf hip-hop artist Fliperachi, Faisla blends Khaliji hip-hop with cinematic drama. Well, Fala in Bahraini Arabic means fun time, an ironic yet perfect match for the villain's grand entrance. Well, the track and dance have gone viral with comparisons to hits like Jamal Kudu from Animal. Well, Fliperachi's music is now topping charts and Khanna's entry is being replayed endlessly online. Well, Dhurandhar is a spy thriller inspired by real raw missions, stars Ranveer Singh, Sanjay Dutt, R. Madhavan, Arjun Rampal and Akshay Khanna. Well, it released on December 5, 2025 and it mixes espionage, betrayal and high-stakes drama with an unforgettable soundtrack. A stylish villain, a viral beat and moves fans can't stop watching, Akshay Khanna just redefined Bollywood entrances.
Veteran actor Sharmila Tagore marked a beautiful milestone as she celebrated her 81st birthday on 8th December. The celebration was intimate, warm, and filled with family love, and Soha Ali Khan made sure fans got a glimpse of the special day. Soha, along with Saif Ali Khan and Sara Ali Khan, flew to Delhi to make the day extra special. She shared several photos from the cozy gathering on Instagram. In one lovely picture, Sara and Soha pose with Sharmila at a restaurant. Another photo shows Saif, Sara, and Sharmila together against a festive Christmas backdrop, looking absolutely regal. One of the sweetest moments came from little Inaya. Soha revealed that her daughter made a handwritten, heartfelt birthday card for her, Badi Amma. Sharing the pictures, Soha wrote, "My Amma on her birthday, missed you Appa, Sapatodi." Kareena Kapoor and Sabha Pataudi couldn't attend the celebration. Sharmila's close friends also joined in. Soha posted a video of everyone singing "Happy Birthday" as Sharmila cut not one, but two cakes, a chocolate cake and a vanilla one. Sara Ali Khan also shared photos and wrote a beautiful birthday message on Instagram. "Happiest birthday to the Chanda and Suraj of our family, love you beyond words, Badi Amma." Kareena Kapoor added her wishes too, posting unseen family photos to celebrate her mother-in-law's special day. A heartfelt celebration, family warmth, and a shining career milestone, Sharmila Tagore's 81st birthday was truly special.